Christopher Mshangwa suggests that the military is neutral today. That is false. Azvipere mushe. Panapa vakomana vaya vachielaborata pamusoro the military position. Panguva ino yatiri kuona kuti aiwa, we are living in the Geza era. Panguva ino yatiri kuona kuti mukomana akauya akakonzeresa disnyongoro ndobva rova pasi. Panguva ino yakuonekwa kunzi mawo veterans pamwechete the ruling party hapachanasi kuonekwa kunzi what is the clear cut difference. Panapa panonyasa kuonekwa kunzi people aiwa vava joined functions. Sana pina mashuka mdanyiro panapa ndipo subscribe like or on the bell icon. The military's current position. Mnangagwa suggests that the military is neutral today. That is false. The military is deeply concerned about rampant corruption, the influence of self-serving politicians like Douglas Maia and Christopher Mshangwa, the role of economic elites, Shigananda, in Zimbabwe's power structure. If events unfold today and the military facilitates a shift in power, Mnangagwa will pretend he was playing a strategic role all along. If nothing happens, he will claim he was right all along. But let me be clear, the military is not standing by idly. There is no neutrality, far from it. The 2030 agenda has been overshadowed by the 2025 agenda. Watch this space. Reason wafawarova tomashkwana buda channelizo aiwa nemukomana wafawarova aiwa mukomana wem the ruling party achiti aiwa panapa we want to call a spade tichidismisa mafalsehoods mafalse claims ari kufambiswa mumaaudios ari kulika naChristopher Mshangwa achiti panapa aiwa panguva inoi the military position aiwa haisimbonzi iri neutral arutoti aiwa they are concerned pamusoro pama-issues of corruption nezvigananda and the likes, but the fact ndengoti now they are just quiet hakusati vangozvi-explode aiwa their side. Tudze mafungiro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechiitiko ichi. Enda comment section medu mutidze mafungiro enyu, subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.